Hello everyone, this is Sam from SamuraiMini.com, and here I've got a very nice little Hijet dump. Bought two of these recently, both automatic, and they're both very nice. This one is particularly good, low kilometers, 12,000, which is about 7 or 8,000 miles. And in the back of the dump it's got a nice tidy rubber mat and a wooden backing piece to stop it from getting damaged. Got a battery cover and all the chassis is very clean and tidy. Inside here, seat's excellent, steering wheel's very good, not worn. There's the dump button there. I'll just start the engine. There we go. So as you can see, 12,531 kilometers. It's about 7,000 miles or something like that, 8,000 miles. And if I press this button here, get four-wheel drive. That's that button there. And it's automatic transmission, so very easy to drive. So this will be sold in the US as an off-road only vehicle, so designed for farms, rural properties, vineyards, that type of thing, anywhere where you need a small vehicle that can go off-road. This one's got a dump body, as I mentioned, so if I use this button here, I can lift up the dump body. Under here is really clean, very clean and tidy. All works nicely. Someone's been greasing that. That's all excellent. Shiny, not rusty, not damaged. That's great. Put that down again. I should say it's got this gravity gate as well. That opens automatically when it dumps up and then locks itself when it comes down again. So there we are. This vehicle is going to be on the water very soon, coming to the States. So if you're interested in this one, you want something like this, there's a lot of these around, or you think you can make some money as a distributor for us in the US, have a look on our site, SamuraiMini.com. There's a lot of information on there about doing that. Thank you very much for watching.